Sebuah perusahaan asuransi melakukan kegiatan diskusi dalam penanganan penyediaan finansial ketika mengatasi penyakit kritis dan yang paling utama adalah orang-orang yang sudah lanjut usia. Dalam diskusi tersebut dijelaskan perihal kesehatan yang menjadi bagian penting bagi setiap manusia. Dalam menjaga kesehatan, setiap manusia sering memperhatikan pola hidup agar terhindar dari penyakit kritis. Selain itu, dibutuhkan juga bagaimana cara pengelolaan finansial yang baik sehingga dalam keadaan darurat bisa segera diatasi. Dalam penjelasan selanjutnya, diterangkan mengenai penyakit kritis yang bisa menjurus pada kematian. Bahkan penyakit kritis itu mulai menyerang di usia-usia produktif. Di antara penyakit kritis yang bisa menyebabkan kematian yakni jantung hingga diabetes. Melihat data tahun 2023 yang disampaikan WHO, sudah tercatat banyak 41 juta jiwa yang meninggal dunia akibat diserang penyakit kritis. Sehingga hal itu menjadi perhatian dengan memberikan perlindungan terhadap resiko penyakit kritis lebih awal dan terus meningkat setiap tahunnya.
Kalau dilihat dari gambar yang tadi, itu kita lihat fase awal itu orang sehat. Kemudian mulai biasanya pola makan yang berlebihan, banyak makan proses food fast food, olahraganya kurang. Mulai biasanya pertama sebagian besar ini adalah berat badan mulai naik.
Differentiating factor of this product above all the other products that's out there in the market is the early detection feature. And early detection, as you know, is an extremely important part of making sure that the person is able to recover successfully. So the earlier we detect, then the earlier chance of getting fully recovered. And a lot of critical illness products out there only looks at later stage of critical illness. Our product not only covers late stage, it also covers early stage. And what that means is that in the event if anyone is diagnosed with a critical illness at the early stage, the person will get the critical illness sum assured paid and also will be waiving their remaining premiums moving forward.
Apa keunggulan dibanding produk sebelumnya?
Yeah, so critical illness is not a new product. It is a complementary product from, you should have a medical product, you should have a life product, and critical illness is one of those products that covers to have a full suite of protection products. And critical illness that we have out there in the markets today typically are only focused on if you get the sickness towards the later part. Whereas True Critical Amanah not only covers that, but also ensures that in the event, if anyone gets early diagnosis, they will also get the sum assured paid and also at the same time getting their premiums waived moving forward. So it helps the customer going through hard times, because typically when the customer get diagnosed on a critical illness, it's a very difficult time, financially, mentally, so they need all the support that they can get. Now, critical illness that doesn't cover early detection means whenever a customer gets diagnosed early, they have to pay their treatment by themselves, and treatment are very expensive. So that's where we're different. We're having a product that covers early detection, so that helps the customer recover and focus on their well-being, whether it's mental well-being. They are making sure that they have the right support, whether it's family support, medical support, and leave the financial protection aside, because that's taken up by having our product.
Dengan diselenggarakan diskusi tersebut, masyarakat bisa teredukasi untuk segera mempersiapkan finansial yang baik dan sudah siap ketika terjadi sesuatu yang tidak diinginkan.